Welcome back to another video. I am your girl, Candy Credible, also known as Candace, and I appreciate you guys coming back to see another video of mine. I decided I wanted to do another makeup look for you guys, so I'm rocking my pinks today. It's all pinks, light pinks, dark pinks, neon pinks, whatever kind of pinks that I have inside of my makeup kit. So I really wanted to really rock a nice little pink. Even though pink is more of a summertime color, I was just really feeling pink. Again, as you guys know, I do me. I don't do what everybody else do. I do what I want. So, yeah, this is my look. Hope you guys like it. If you want to continue to see how I did this look, how I achieved this look, please go ahead and continue watching the video. And I hope you enjoy it. Go watch. Hey you guys. So thanks for joining me and watching another video. So of course you guys know I have to start with my lip therapy. That is the most important thing. You don't want to be walking around with chapped lips, so yeah, go copy out some of that lip therapy. I actually got mine from the beauty supply store, so yeah. And here I am just using my basic dark brown. I think this is a NYX pencil, again from the beauty supply store. Basically just highlighting in here my brows, and of course right now they look really thick, but the most important step is this one here. You must blend in so that your eyes kind of look like an ombre effect. So here I am just adding my concealer in. I think this is the dark beautiful brown, excuse me, it's the beautiful brown NYX LA Pro Concealer. So it's the beautiful brown, and I put it at the bottom of my brow, and I also put it at the top of my brow so that I can basically form my brow how I want it to be formed, the shape that I want to give it. And I'm using the LA Pro, I think this is the color Toffee, onto my eyelids. This is going to act as a primer for my eyeshadow. I only put this on my eyelids when I'm going to apply eyeshadow. I find that it helps the eyeshadow to stick better to your eyes, so you don't have so much fallout when you're trying to blend in, your eyeshadow colors. So the first color is like a translucent color. It's more of a orangey brown color. That's a transparent color. That color, you can put any type of eyeshadow color over that. So you kind of want to put that, on both of your eyes. And then I believe I went in with a light pink to go ahead and put as my first color. So that was one pink that I started using, and then I also blended it out around just the crease area with a yellow. You can't really see the yellow too much, but it is a yellow in there. And then again, I added on more of a darker pink because the first pink that I put on did not it didn't come up to me. It wasn't showing that well. So I went ahead and put like 3 different pinks on my eyes. So here I am doing a smoky eye. This is a dark brown. It's not black. It looks a little black, but it's like a dark brown. The darkest brown. And I'm just smoking the eye color out. And of course, in my waterline, I am adding pink for my waterline area. And then here, I believe I was adding on some of the glittery pink that's in my palette. It was like a fluorescent type of pink purplish, really. So here I am doing a wing eye, and you can see the sharpness of that wing. You don't want to have a really thick wing. You want to have just a light one. And I don't put it across my entire lid. I just put it like halfway. And so here I'm just adding on the toffee color highlighter just above the brow, just to clean up, you know, the brow area. And of course my Fenty Beauty 420 and 430. I think I put more of the 430 on, which is the lighter color. I should have put less of the 430 and more of the 420 because it's coming off kind of light. But one good thing about Fenty Beauty is the color oxidizes on your face, so it kind of blends in eventually once it sits and once it settles. So yeah, and then the light was kind of off a little bit too. So it is coming off a little yellowish, but that's okay. Like I said, it will oxidize and it will blend in with my skin perfectly after a few minutes. So you definitely want to get your neck, you want to get as close to your hairline as possible and just blend. And so here I am adding my toffee color concealer under my eye. Going to start on my T-zone area. And then of course my lip, my top lip, and my bottom chin. And then you just want to really blend that in. You don't want to, go down too far. You just kind of want to stay, like a 1/4 of an inch under both of your eyes, and make sure that you blend that all the way towards your hairline. You don't want to stop it too short. And then of course you want to get your T-line area and your forehead. And this just highlights your T-zone. And of course I take my banana Nye Powder, and this kind of sets the concealer, the highlighted areas. And I don't do too much baking of that. I just kind of get it on there and maybe let it sit for about 2 minutes, if that, and then I just, go ahead and brush it off. So now I am applying my lashes that I wear all the time, and I'll have those in the description. These are my niece's lashes that I always wear. These lashes last a really long time, so you guys go ahead and get you some. I believe she's still having a sale. And yeah, I'm just, making sure my lashes are on, pushing them in a little bit further. Just making sure that they, you know, stay on there. You gotta play around with them just for a little bit. And then, of course, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Candy Venom. And this is the pink lipstick that I showed in one of my other videos from Fenty Beauty, Rihanna's line. And this color is so pretty on dark skin, in my opinion. And this one is actually not a matte, it's more of a regular creamy consistency of a lipstick. So it's not matte at all. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. At first, when I first started, I was like, I know I want to do some pinks, but then the color kind of changed up on me. I really wanted to do, the look was really a mistake. I was supposed to have been doing a glitter eye, but the glitter that I have is not shiny enough. You can't see it too good. I don't know if you can see the glitter, but it wasn't a really good glitter for me, so I have to go ahead and get me some really chunky sparkling glitter, because I want to rock some glitter looks in some of my next videos. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I had a ball making it. I did my nails. You guys like my nails? They are different. I was trying to use like some fall colors. It's green on this finger, but I don't know if you guys can see it. I got my Louis Vuitton little stickers on there. I'll try to post some pictures that I have. Maybe you guys can see it a little closer, but yeah, your girl does nails. Hope you guys will like them. But anyway, I love them. So I didn't get a chance to record my nails, so yeah, it's just pictures for that. But yeah, like I said, thank you guys for coming and visiting my channel. Again, I hope you guys like this look. Give your girl a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like the content that I am bringing. And again, if you guys know of any like nice glittery chunky eyeshadow that you would like to recommend to me, please put it down in the description below, because I really want to like try some things out. Yeah, so again, thank you guys for visiting me, and I hope you will subscribe, become a part of my family, and thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.